In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable spicy mode on Grok. So this works the same way if you were on your cell phone on the app, or if you were on Twitter, or just on the desktop version here. So all you really need to do is type in enable spicy mode. We're going to go ahead and hit enter. It will take a second or two. So now with this, there's no filters, more humor, blunt takes, more language. It's just more of a, I guess, unfiltered, more natural kind of response. You can go ahead and explore spicy boundaries, but now you've kind of opened the floodgates of more unfiltered content, unfiltered responses within your chats that you have here on Grok. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to turn on or enable spicy mode on Grok. And as you see, now it's starting to push the boundaries as far as all of the responses. But that's it.